Hello good people, welcome back to my channel with me Marco Raymond Tomasoa in Marco Tom's channel. And today we will have conversation with my friend Fikar. He is my friend from Polban majoring in business administration. And before we get started, I hope you all stay at home and do everything from your home. Okay? Now let's get to our conversation. Check this out. Well, tonight we will have a conversation with my friend from Poban. He is Fikar, and
Hi.
then hi Fikar, and then we get started. Hello there. May I know your name? Who are you
Uh,
and where do you come from?
my name is Fikar, and I'm from southern part of Bandung, which is Dayakolot.
Oh, right. Dayakolot. That is in south of Bandung, right?
Yeah, southern Bandung.
And okay. I know you from Polban, but maybe our viewer don't know what is your major in Polban. May I know what is your major in Polban?
In Polban, I majored business administration.
Well, it is your decision choosing that major, isn't it?
Uh, yeah, it kind of is. I mean, my parents, it's like hands off of my decision process while I graduate from high school. And
Oh,
yeah, maybe uh, the first time I know business administration, it's because the major is very broad. It has a variety of course that I can take because I don't really know what I want as my field of expertise or my career path, and yeah, etc. Maybe yeah, it is kind of my decision.
oh, so you just try it, try any chance you got.
Yes, it is. Yes, I tried.
Oh, well, let's get to another question.
Yeah.
In this conversation, I will ask you some question about this pandemic. Exactly how you learn in this pandemic. Well, I would like to ask you a question about learning far from home since COVID attack. Will you?
Shoot.
Okay. First, what do you feel when you are learning at home?
How I feel. Uh, from the first beginning of pandemics until today, I had some variety feelings on staying at home 24/7 for the past months. But yeah, I both sad and happy about it.
Uh, why you say sad and why you say happy?
Well, on one hand,
What makes you happy and what makes you sad?
yeah, okay. So on one hand, wake up at 7 in the morning. You don't have to get up from bed or even taking a bath. Check your phone from the side of your bed. Get into the Gmeet or Zoom, and just listen to your lecture under blankets. It has been very relaxing.
Hmm.
Also, is
No.
uh, because my problem is my house is very far away from the campus, which is Polban, and I don't have to get onto my to face Bandung traffic for 1 hour straight on my motorcycle, and so it has its own merits to learn it at homes. But that's what make me happy. But on the other hand, learning at home it's also very depressing because it's what should I say? What is the word? Because it's enabling our laziness. Maybe we didn't expect it to give our best in class. And for me personally, it's really hard to keep my good habits that I had over the past years in Polban. So yeah, that's all the
Hmm.
reasons why I both happy and sad.
Very well. At least no one knows you haven't take bath, right? Hmm.
No, I did.
Okay. Next to other question. Uh, Based on your heart, Do you like this situation or not? Are you better learner at campus? Why?
Do I like it? Do I like a global pandemic? Of course not. But my 100% consciousness is that I feel like it's better to learn at campus because from my experience there is just okay, there is some
Ya,
okay,
motorcycle
let's proceed.
passing.
Let's proceed. Because from my experience, there is just I think a few lecturer that actually can make this work. Like maybe right now, maybe 3 out of 8 lecturer who did who did a really great job, for my opinion. And I don't think, and also I don't want to make it all lecture mistakes, but the students also has lower motivation. I think for my for my friends and my inner circle has lower motivation that makes learning process didn't as effective and efficient as it can be. Yeah, I guess that's all.
All right. Well, you have good friends while this pandemic long. Next to another question. What lesson do you think hard to understand during this type of learning?
Now I think you're lagging. Can you repeat the question?
What lesson do you think hard to understand during this type of learning?
What major?
Yes.
Yeah.
What what lesson? What
Uh,
subject?
what subjects? Uh, I think we all can agree that all of the subjects or the majors that involve tools that only can be provided at campus will be the hardest thing to get by or to thrive on this situation, because not everyone has like a tools that can do engineering on
Oh,
any other
yeah.
stuff. Like no, it's really hard.
Well, for example, badminton, right? We cannot play on open ground.
I mean, yeah, sports is also can be hard to proceed, but I think it can be work, sports, something like that. But tools that are very unique that even if you had money,
Yeah,
you can really have it, right?
mm,
You just buy it
yes.
on supermarket, etc. Yeah,
So the hardest part of this session, the hardest part of the lesson is practice.
yeah, the practice, absolutely.
Hmm. Okay. How do you fix that? What is your solution for that problem?
Uh the
Your own
the solution
solution.
the solution. Like for instance, right now I have a course that called Small Business Project, which told the students to make it's not make to make a business on a group, and we usually on a normal basis we did it in campus, which is easier, because we had the place
Yeah.
and etc. But on this situation, we had to make something like put the business in social media. For instance, for
Hmm.
suggest we did it in Instagram, but the results is not very, it's not very it's not
Not
very
good as.
yeah, not good as it can be, as I said before.
Hmm.
But the solution, I think, I don't know, maybe if the students can practice at campus, unlimited quota, and can with the COVID procedure, maybe it would be nice. Maybe, who knows?
So let me
Who knows?
say it again. What you mean? We adapt. We use adaptation with this situation.
Yeah, sure.
In real situation, we use maybe class and class and board to explain what the lecture mean. And now you you do the practice selling project, yes? You
Yes.
do it in Instagram.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, you do adaptation, right?
Yeah, adapt, but it could be better. But because on my department, on administrasi niaga, we had our own mini market, so we can be more, learning more about how to manage a mini market, etc.
Well, this is the last question. Well, as we know, we all college student hard to understand the material given by lecturer, and sometimes we got nothing from the lesson. What is your trick you can share to us by learning far from campus?
Uh, ah, I don't really have tricks to thrive
Yeah.
until today, but okay. Wait. Let me 1 second. Let me think about it first. Tricks. I mean, the problem is not about the learning process. Maybe it's not about the processing process, but it's the situation of the students in general, such as all the problems that you had. Maybe your laziness, it's become more, it's become crazy, and etc.
Oh,
Your depression or anything, because you stay home like 8 months. It could be at least give you effect, negative effect. So maybe my advice is to realize what is your problems that holding you down to thrive this situation, and just deal with it as soon as possible. And also, you, I don't know, maybe read books. That's my advice. Just read books. Read books is
read books.
read and
Hmm.
exercise. Yeah, that two things it makes really a difference, at least for me.
To minimize the laziness.
Yes, it is to minimize laziness.
Okay. Very well. We got so many words here, and I think it is useful for us, the viewer, and also me,
Mm.
to know what is the benefit, advantage of this type of learning far from home. Well, very well. Thank you for your time, Fikar. Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you for your
What else?
time.
Okay.
I hope this pandemic will be end soon. Thanks for your time. See you.
Yeah, no problem, Marco. See you at campus, right?
Right.
You think it could be
Okay.
this year we meet at campus? Yeah, let's hope so. Okay,
It's
let's hope so. This year we meet
yes.
at campus and we sell stuff together again. Yeah.
Yes. Very well. That's all conversation for today. I hope you all get something from this conversation. That learning from home is not bad, not that bad. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you for your support. Goodbye.